Good afternoon. It is truly an honor to be here to speak to you all today. Looking ahead, the future of AVID with dual credit integration. When I think about my career 5 years from now, I see a future shaped by the integration of AVID practices and the opportunities we've created through dual credit. AVID isn't just a program, it's a philosophy that transforms classrooms into communities of support and growth. By embedding dual credit within AVID 2, we've taken a bold step towards preparing students not only for college, but for life beyond high school. One student whose story stands out in my mind is Maria. When Maria first enrolled in AVID 2 and EDUC 1300, she was hesitant. I remember pulling her aside and asking her what was the issue. She had never considered herself college material and worried about failing a college level course. But AVID's structure changed that. On tutorial days, Maria brought questions from her EDUC 1300 class and worked through them with her peers. She learned how to break down complex tasks, ask clarifying questions, and persist through challenges. By the end of the semester, Maria had not only passed EDUC 1300, but she earned an A. That propelled her to taking additional dual credit courses. Today, she talks about her plans of pursuing a degree in education, a dream she never thought was possible before AVID. Her story is a powerful reminder of why we do what we do. So here's my call to action. Let's keep pushing boundaries. Let's continue to integrate AVID strategies with college level opportunities so that every student, not just some, but all, can see themselves capable and prepared and ready for the future. Together, we can make college readiness not only the exception, but the norm. Thank you.